country animals. Some people live in the country. Many kinds of animals live in the country too. Deer live in the country. They eat
twigs, twigs,
twigs from tree. They eat twigs from tree. Robins live in the country. They make nests in tree. Squirrel live in the country. They eat nuts from tree. Geese and ducks live in the country. They swim in lakes. Raccoons live in the country. They wash their food in rivers. Foxes live in the country. They run and play in
fields, fields,
fields. Cows live in the country. They eat grass from field. Mice live in the country. They eat grain from field. Do you see animal where live in? Do you see animal where you live? What kind of animal do you see?